Today, October 15, 2019 training session. Here I am, first set 155 by 5. I'm doing the starting strength protocol, 3 sets of 5, squat as your first work, your first exercise. And I'm just getting my stuff right. It's been a while since I've squatted, and I'm just trying to get back into the groove of it, kind of like shooting a free throw. There's like a little ritual that you have to do that you make yourself comfortable within the situation, and it's kind of like you getting into your zone. I'm uploading this YouTube video because I want this as a portfolio of transformation that I'm going through, which I will complete, because this is something that I've wanted to do for a very long time, but I just never really went through it. And so I want to document the clips, my body, just the way I talk, everything, the editing, everything, and I want to compare it to the future. And here I'm gonna play a little bit of a clip of what was going in the training session.
I remember on Thursday, today's Tuesday, I remember I was going on my iPad while I was resting in sets, looking at people who were lifting weights, and I remember Zach Tillender with his 500-pound squat PR. And today, look at this, just another PR from somebody else, Damien Pizzuti, somebody who I follow, 735 safety squat bar, new PR. It's amazing. And it's just, I'm kind of getting into the groove of it now, where I'm enjoying the passion of lifting again. And I should, because it's something that is going to make me stronger, both physically and mentally. It's something that helps you build discipline with, which is something that I definitely need. And just looking at the people who I respect, who are up there, they're doing great things, man. I want to achieve what they're doing, right? So I'm super proud of them, and I'm just so passionate what I could do from at the end of this working set, at the end of this workout, after the end of this week's workout, after the end of this month, and so on and so forth, to go and be on bigger and better levels. But I understand that in order for me to first be on their levels, I have to first train myself up. So, I'm on my last working set on squats, 155, set of 5. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to make it 100%.
One of the goals that I have in life is I just want to be great in magnitude of things that I can accomplish as a person, as helping the people who are in a similar situation that I am through empathy. And I know that in order for me to first help other people, I just need to help myself first. Because like I said, in the video, in the clip, when I was talking about Damien Pizzuti with his 735 safety squat bar, I have to put myself in a position where I want to do great things. And that is what the point of this. I like those little balloons because they give me a little bit of happiness, saying that I completed all 3 of my sets, which I did. But what I was talking about before, just me logging my physical transformation, is something that I've wanted to change for a long time. This is just something that I'm starting, but with the consistency, with the persistence that I develop through discipline, through work ethic, through just conscientiousness, this is something that I know that I can achieve. And it's amazing because I have a squat rack at home, and the biggest problem with me lifting, even though I had an ankle injury, prior to this earlier year, my biggest problem wasn't the programming or, hitting the sets or doing anything like that. The biggest problem was just going to the gym. Going wherever you go to, LA Fitness, Gold's Gym, powerlifting, a local gym. Hell, it can even be Planet Fitness. I mean, something's better than nothing, right? And I just want to be able to change myself to become a better person, because I'm in a rut right now, but I know that I can achieve and I can do better things. And that is the total point of this video and this channel, that I can become a better person. And I am going to do that. So here I am at the end of my last rep on the deadlifts.
Done!
Go with the balloons. Had a good post-workout meal. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching the video, and tune in next time.